you tell us a little about Nytron Aerospace today and the capabilities you're most proud of?
At Nytron Aerospace, we've built our reputation on machining some of the most complex and high-tolerance parts in the aerospace and defense industries. We handle CNC milling, turning, EDM, and assemblies across tough materials like Inconel, titanium, and stainless steel. What makes me proud is not just our technical capabilities, but our ability to deliver consistently, on time, and to spec, while still growing as a company. We've created a culture of accountability and precision, and with ShopXpert driving our processes, that culture is now reinforced with live data, automated scheduling, and total visibility across every corner of our shop.
How has ShopXpert improved the way you handle customer communication and job status updates?
Before ShopXpert, it was always stressful when a customer called for a status update. I'd have to ask supervisors, dig through paperwork, or rely on emails. Now it's completely different. I log into ShopXpert and instantly see where a job is, what operation it's at, who's working on it, and when it's scheduled to finish. That means I can give customers accurate, confident answers right away. It saves me time, reduces stress, and builds trust. Customers notice the difference. They feel we're in control, and that makes them more confident in working with us.
How has the supplier portal changed the way you work with vendors?
The supplier portal has completely changed how I manage outside processing. Instead of endless emails and phone calls, vendors now log in directly, see their POs, update their statuses, and upload their certs. All of the data ties in straight into our job records. It saves me hours, weeks, reduces mistakes, and makes communication much cleaner. It's like having a shared system that keeps everyone aligned.
From a leadership perspective, how does ShopXpert's workstation job tracking and job QTVs support growth?
One of the hardest parts of scaling is keeping the floor aligned while you're focused on strategy. ShopXpert solved that for us. With workstation job tracking and TVs throughout the shop, every operator knows exactly what's running, what's next, and what needs priority. No one waits for instructions, machines don't sit idle, and supervisors aren't running around firefighting. For me, that means I can focus on expanding Nytron and securing new programs, knowing the shop is executing in real time without confusion. It keeps everyone aligned, and that alignment is what makes growth possible.
How has contract review changed since implementing ShopXpert?
Contract review used to be manual, and honestly, things could slip through. Requirements, flow downs, terms, it was easy to miss a detail under pressure. ShopXpert changed that by digitizing the whole process. Every contract has to go through a structured checklist before it can move forward. Nothing gets missed. For me, that means I know every job starts off with the right requirements locked in. It protects us and reassures customers that we never overlook critical details. That level of discipline is what makes us stand out.
What's the biggest benefit you see in terms of compliance and traceability?
Compliance is everything in aerospace, and missing a cert or having a wrong document can delay an entire order. With ShopXpert, every cert is uploaded and tied directly to the job. Nothing gets lost, nothing gets overlooked. It gives us a complete traceability record that it's always ready for audits and customer requirements. For me, it's a peace of mind and a huge time saver.
How do you use the X-Track machine monitoring data at a leadership level?
X-Track is one of the most valuable tools in my role because it gives me data I can trust. Before, machine logs were delayed or incomplete, and we'd only learn about downtime after it had already cost us. Now, I can see uptime, downtime, and cycle counts instantly. If a machine goes down, I know right away. Over time, we've built a complete picture of machine performance that helps us plan preventive maintenance, balance workloads, and decide when it's time to invest in new capacity. It takes the guesswork out of the leadership decisions and lets me lead with confidence based on real numbers.
What impact has ShopXpert had on scheduling and keeping commitments to customers?
Scheduling used to be something we hoped was right, but we couldn't always guarantee it. Now, with ShopXpert's live job queues and accurate machine tracking, we know exactly what's happening on the floor and how it affects delivery dates. I can look at the schedule and immediately see if we're on time or if we need to adjust. That allows me to give customers real commitments and not guesses. And when we tell them we'll deliver, we do. It's given us a stronger reputation and more loyal customers.
Do you think ShopXpert helps you in your day-to-day work?
So honestly, I love ShopXpert. Every piece of information that I need to be able to access, if I don't need to be asking questions from others, is on there. Anywhere from the part number, purchase orders, as far as when we take pictures of parts and having to upload them, it's within the system. As far as looking what time I came in and what time I clocked out, it's all on ShopXpert. Products that we have in inventory, as far as me with as like managing all the inventory, as far as boxes, tapes, gloves, anything like that, it's all in ShopXpert. And I with my shipping experience, I have had to use multiple websites as far as where's this, where's that. It's all combined together, it makes everything so much easier. I don't need to be going to anywhere else to be looking for customer information. It's everything that you need as far as information for your company.
How does the supplier portal improve accountability with vendors?
Everyone can see it. It's not just promises in an email. The accountability makes vendors more reliable and helps keeps our schedule accurate. It changes relationships from reactive to proactive, and that's better for both sides.
How does Xlock vending fit into your goals for quality and repeatability?
In aerospace, consistency is everything. If one shift handles tools differently than the next, quality suffers. With Xlock, every tool transaction is secure and tied to a specific job. Operators badge in, pull what they need, and the system tracks it automatically. That means tools are always available, waste is minimized, and every shift operates the same way. For leadership, that consistency means we can scale up production without compromising quality or process control. It's a foundation for growth that saves money, time, and stress.
How has ShopXpert made it easier to manage change orders or last-minute customer requests?
Change orders used to cause chaos. They throw off schedules, create confusion, and sometimes even result in mistakes. With ShopXpert, the impact of a change order is visible instantly. I can see what shifts, what gets delayed, and how it affects delivery. That means I can call the customer back in minutes and explain exactly what the change means. It makes us look professional, responsive, and in control, even when things shift at the last second.
How has ShopXpert reduced back and forth and improved communication overall?
My inbox used to be full of emails from vendors with updates, certs, and attachments that would get buried or lost. Now all of the communication happens inside ShopXpert, tied directly into our jobs. It reduces clutter and makes sure nothing is missed. It also means if anyone else in our team needs information, they don't have to dig through emails. It's already in the system.
How has the scheduling and planning module changed the way you manage growth?
Scheduling used to be one of the most frustrating parts of the business. It was reactive, something would go wrong, and would scramble to adjust. ShopXpert flipped that completely. Now, we can see load and capacity weeks, even months ahead. We can run scenarios, plan resources, and make commitments with confidence. It's not just about avoiding surprises. It's about building a proactive system that prevents them in the first place. It gives me the ability to say yes to customers and new opportunities, knowing the shop can handle it because we already have the data to back it up.
From your role, what's the most valuable feature of ShopXpert?
For me, it's a combination of contract review and live status updates. Together, they give me complete confidence that from the very beginning of an order all the way through delivery, nothing is slipping. I know every requirement is captured, every job is tracked, and every customer has clear answers. It's made my job less reactive and far more proactive, which customers really appreciate.
What would you say to other companies about the value of using the supplier portal?
I'd say it's the only way to scale supplier relationships without drowning in paperwork. It creates structure, compliance, and accountability while making it easier for both sides. It turns vendor into true partners because the process is transparent and efficient. For us, it made outside processing more reliable and directly improves one-time delivery to our customers.
On a personal note, how do you feel about ShopXpert overall?
Honestly, I love ShopXpert. It's rare to find software that makes such a big impact at every level of a business. From the floor to the leadership office, it gives us visibility, control, and confidence. It's made my job less about chasing problems and more about driving strategy. I'd recommend ShopXpert to any aerospace manufacturer that wants to grow without losing control. It's more than software. It's the backbone of how we run Nytron today.
I love ShopXpert because it takes the complete stress out of my role. I don't have to chase people down or guess about job status. I have everything in one place. It makes my day smoother, my communication with customers stronger, and my confidence higher. I would absolutely recommend ShopXpert to any company that wants to tighten up their processes and build stronger customer trust. It's been a game changer for me.
Honestly, I love ShopXpert because it makes my job so much easier. Everything I need, from a vendor update to certs to communication, it's all in one place. I can even use the built-in chat module when I need to clarify something quickly with a vendor or internally. It keeps all of our conversations connected to the job they're about, instead of scattered across emails. For me, it simplified my day and improved my relationships with vendors. I'd recommend ShopXpert to anyone who manages suppliers. For me, it's the efficient tool I've ever used.